Good morning, students. Today we will discuss real numbers. All rationals and all irrational numbers form the collection of all real numbers. Some results on real numbers. For all positive real numbers a and b, we have first result is under root ab is equal to under root a into under root b. For example, suppose we are taking under root 6. 6 can be taken under root 2 into 3, which can be written as under root 2 into under root 3. Similarly, under root 15 can be written as under root 5 into 3, which can be written under root 5 into under root 3. Look at the second result. Under root a by b can be written as under root a by under root b. If it is given like this, under root 2 by 3, it can be rewritten as under root 2 divided by under root 3.
Start.
Now we will see some questions based on real numbers. First question based on addition. Let us suppose we have to add 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 and root 2 minus 5 root 3. We will write in a single line like this: 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 plus root 2 minus 5 root 3. This 3 root 2 cannot be added with 7 root 3. So first we will arrange like terms. 3 root 2 and root 2 will be kept in one bracket, and 7 root 3 and minus 5 root 3 will be kept in one bracket, because these two terms contain root 2 and these two terms contains root 3. Look at this. This root 2 can be written as 1 into root 2. So when you will add 3 root 2 and root 2, this 3 plus 1 will be added. It will become 4 root 2, and the 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. So 7 minus 5 will be 2 and root 3 will be taken. So sum of these two irrational numbers are 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3.
Start.
Now we will take another question. Look at this. This is 2 by 3 root 7 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 6 root 11. This we have to add with 1 by 3 root 7 plus 3 by 2 root 2 minus root 11. Again, the sum will be written in a line. So we will write like terms in one bracket: 2 by 3 root 7 and 1 by 3 root 7 in one bracket. Similarly, minus 1 by 2 root 2 and 3 by 2 root 2 will be written in one bracket, and 6 root 11 minus root 11 will be written in one bracket. Now from these two, let us take out root 7 common. What is left here? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here when you will take root 2 common, we are left with minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. And from these two, let us take out root 11 common. Here we have 6 and here minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it will be root 11 into 5, which is 5 root 11. Here we will take LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. So we are getting in the numerator 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 3. So it is 3 by 3 will get cancelled and it will come 1. 1 multiplied by root 7 will be root 7. Here also minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will be added, and you are getting in the next step minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So it will come 2 by 2, which is again getting cancelled, and root 2 multiplied by 2. So final answer is root 7 plus root 2 plus 5 root 11. Now students, we will discuss questions based on multiplication. Here I wrote a question: multiply root 10 by root 40. So root 10 now we will multiply root 10 into root 40. Root 10 into root 40, as I told you, the formula under root AB is under root A into under root B. So it can be written as under root 10 into 40, which is under root 400. 400 when we will factorize, we can write 2 into 2 into 10 into 10. You know the rule of square root. From 2 2s, 1 2 will come out. From 2 10s, 1 10 will come out. So 2 into 10 will be 20. Second question I wrote: multiply 3 root 5 by 2 root 5. We will write in the product form 3 root 5 into 2 root 5. 3 will be multiplied with 2. So 3 into 2, and root 5 will be multiplied with root 5. So root 5 into root 5 is 5, and 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 into 5 will be 30. But how will you know that how root 5 into root 5 is 5? Root 5 is actually 5 to the power 1 by 2. So 5 to the power 1 by 2 when multiplied with 5 to the power 1 by 2, these powers will be added. We know that if base is same, powers can be added. So look at these two. If 5 is same in both, half can be added. So half plus half will be 5 to the power 1. So root 5 into root 5 is 5. So hence I wrote root 5 into root 5 is 5 and 3 into 2 as 6. So 6 into 5 will be 30. Now we will discuss some questions based on division. First question I wrote, divide 16 root 6 by 4 root 2. So 16 root 6. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3 divided by 4 root 2. This 16 can be cancelled by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So this can be cancelled and root 2 into root 2 will be getting cancelled. So we are left with 1 4 and root 3. So answer will be 4 root 3. Second question I took 18 root 21 divided by 6 root 7. So it can be written in the division form. 18 as it is, no change. Root 21 I am writing root 7 into root 3 and divided by 6 root 7. Root 7 will get cancelled and 18 and 6 can be cancelled by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. So we are left with 3 and root 3. So answer will be 3 root 3. Now we will see some simplification, like here in the first question 3 plus root 3 will be multiplied with 2 plus root 2. In this type of question what shall we do? First 3 will be multiplied with 2, which is written here 3 into 2. Now 3 will be multiplied with root 2. So we have 3 into root 2 is 3 root. Now this root 3 will be multiplied with 2. So root 3 into 2 and this root 3 will be multiplied with root 2. So we have root 3 into root 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. 3 root 2 as it is. It can be written as 2 root 3 and root 3 into 2 will be root 6. So this way it can be simplified. Second question I took root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Here we will apply the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab into b square. Now assuming at the place of a root 3 and at the place of b root 2. We can write as a square is written, we can write root 3 square. At the place of 2ab we can write 2 root 3 into root 2 plus at the place of b square we can write root 2 square. So root 3 square is 3, 2 root 3 into root 2 is root 6 and root 2 square is 2. So 3 plus 2 will be added, it is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now students, you can make exercise 1D of R.S. Agarwal book. NCERT and R.S. Agarwal book questions will be solved in the same copy. No need to make 2 copies for these 2 books. All the questions we will solve in a single copy.